So reading from Ujjwal Nilamani, we're continuing to discuss chapter 4, Sakhi Prakaran, the varieties of different lovers of Krishna, specifically in Vrindavan, headed by Srimati Radharani, Lila Vishaka and Nasha Sakhis. And they have their different characteristics, their feelings, their moods, and they're broken down into three major categories: Mugdha, innocent, simple, beginning lover, and Madhya, or Dhira Madhya Radharani. She's something innocent, but very experienced. Then there's Pragalbha. Pragalbha means bold, proud, mature, full experience of all the ways and means of romantic affairs, and quite bold in her activities. And Pragalbha Nayak is best depicted by Lalita Sakhi. So we're describing the different qualities of the Pragalbha Nayak. And there's we're on the verse 50. This is the seventh quality. We said she's bold and proud, and we heard about, last time we discussed, we heard about her very bold and proud speech. Ati produkti. Ukti, rokti means speech, and prodha means proud in Sanskrit. P-R-A-U-D-H-A. P-R-O-U-D, English. Ati means excessive, lots of, heavy bold, very bold. And then we heard an example of that from Padyavali. Now the next, seventh quality of the Pragalbha Nayak is in verse number 50. Ati Prodha Cheshta. Cheshta, of course, means her activities, her actions, her movements. We heard about her speech, actions, and speech. They say actions speak louder than words. But in Lalita's case, her actions are loud and her words are loud. So watch out, Krishna. Dangerous. Swati Prodacheshta. Sakyas Tavananga Ratnotsave Aduna. Nanartha Mukta Latika Stanopari. Utplutya Yasya Saki Nayakas Chalo. Dhiram Muhur Me Prachahara Kostubam. Very bold actions. And this is a small interaction here between a couple of Sakhis and Radharani. Some Sakhis of the opposing party to Radharani, Radharani's rivals, which are primarily Chandravali and her group. As Radharani has her Lalita and Vishaka, her chief rival Sakhi Chandravali has her Padma and Shaibya. So Krishna and Chandravali have just finished their intense amorous delighting. Then the chief Sakhi of Chandravali, who's named Padma, she comes and finds them together in a kunja. She arrives in the kunja, Brajani Kunj, and she finds her Yuteshwari, Chandravali, intimately meeting and happily meeting and fortunately meeting with Sri Krishna. So now there's three are there, Krishna and two of his Nayakas, his heroines or lovers, Chandravali and her supporter Padma. So Krishna, as he always does with Radharani also, he's pretty consistent in his naughty behavior. He treats most of his lovers in the same way. He enjoys them and induces them and seduces them and excites them to infinite proportions and degrees, and they go crazy in love and serving him and pleasing him in every possible way. Then when it's all said and done, and the supporting and loving companions of that Sakhi leader arrive, then Krishna takes it upon himself to embarrass to completely embarrass and shame the lady love he's just enjoyed thoroughly and immensely. So the ladies might think, oh, how cruel, how selfish, how egoistic, how nasty. Probably all these things are true. That's the aspect of Krishna. But because he's so irresistible and so sweet, they say, Krishna's Kaviraj says that Krishna, the gopis, they consider that Krishna is like hot sugar cane juice. Do you know Ganaras? Ganaras means sugar cane juice. It's nice, cool and refreshing. But if you heat it up to a boiling, then it's too hot to drink and too sweet to resist. So that's what the Sakhis say about Shyam Sundar. Oh, he's so naughty, and he just enjoys me, and he's all over me in the kunja. And then afterwards, he doesn't show any gratitude or any humility. He just comes out and he says, "Oh, look at my chest. See, Chandravali scratched my chest. Oh, she's very naughty, huh?" He doesn't have to say that. They will understand that some things are better not spoken. Or at least privately. Oh, Chandravali, Krishna's into boasting. Krishna loves to boast. He loves to boast. He loves to show off.